Hello, I'm Mark Wethington with the J.C. Ralston Arboretum at NC State University, and today we're in the garden. Today we're going to talk about a rose, one of my favorite roses. This is one called Tahitian Treasure. It's an exceptionally long blooming rose, starts early in the season, keeps going all season long, and has great disease resistance. You can plant it by itself along with other plants, and it'll generally stay pretty disease-free. This particular one I really like because the new growth on it comes out almost burgundy red before going to a nice deep blue-green color with some red highlights. It flowers in clusters, unlike the hybrid teas, which tend to flower by themselves. This is a grandiflora, so you get the flowers in clusters. You'll have one opening, others that are just beginning to open, buds that are just swelling, so you can see that it'll flower over a really long period. Even though this plant looks like it's in full bloom, there are still buds that are barely showing color to little buds that are not even thinking about swelling yet. It's still going to be weeks before they get going. Now, if you are, really want to keep this going and are an active gardener, you can come out when the flowers start getting old and fading with pruners or just with your fingers, and you can deadhead it and take off the spent flowers, maybe make some potpourri with the flowers, and that'll help keep it going for a long, long time. I recommend planting one or two really good roses in your garden because they're always beautiful, they smell great, people love them, but perhaps not growing 50 of them all together. I'm Mark at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum, and this has been Homegrown in the Garden.